Well, here's the snow blower. My brother traded me for the electric one I used to have, and I can't get it started. Wonder who got the better deal. And I didn't want to shovel, so I made giant snowballs, me and my grandson. But it started getting cold, and the snowballs weren't packing that well. So I started making a little igloo over there. And there's a snowball in the middle there left. But yeah, this way out, it's not that deep, maybe 5-6 inches, but it's too deep for this guy. I got about 5 inches clearance. And one tire's needs to be, I need a new tire. That's not much tread on it. So yeah, good snowstorm for building snowmen. There's a deconstructed snowman right there. All right, football bragging's out.